Hernia is a condition that occurs when an organ or tissue protrudes through an abnormal opening in the muscle or tissue that holds it in place. Hernias are most commonly found in the abdominal area, although they can also occur in the groin, chest, and diaphragm. Hernias can be painful and cause discomfort, but they are not usually life-threatening. However, if a hernia is left untreated, it can lead to more serious complications. If you think you may have a hernia, it is important to see a doctor so that they can diagnose and treat the condition. Keep watching to learn more about hernia and its symptoms, causes, and treatment options. A hernia occurs when an organ or piece of tissue protrudes through a weak spot in the muscle or surrounding tissue. The most common symptom of a hernia is a bulge or lump in the affected area. Other symptoms may include pain or discomfort, especially when bending over, coughing, or lifting. A burning, gurgling, or aching sensation at the site of the bulge. Weakness, pressure, or heaviness in the affected area. A feeling of fullness or a blocked intestine. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor right away. There are many different types of hernias, but all of them have one thing in common: they are caused by a weakness or hole in the abdominal wall. This weakness can be present at birth, or it can develop over time. Hernias are most commonly seen in the groin area, but they can also occur in the navel, chest, or abdomen. Hernias can be either congenital, present at birth, or acquired, develop over time. In most cases, hernias are benign and do not require treatment. However, in some cases, hernias can become strangulated, which can be life-threatening. Treatment for a hernia may be surgical or non-surgical. Non-surgical treatment includes wearing a supportive device, such as a truss, to hold the hernia in place. Surgery is typically recommended for hernias that are large, recurrent, or causing severe symptoms. If you think you may have a hernia, it is important to see a doctor so that you can receive the appropriate treatment.